So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to sign out of Netflix on the FireStick. Okay, so guys, if you want to sign out from your Netflix file on your FireStick, so guys, it is very simple. So guys, first of all, you can go to your app and section library. Here you can find your app Netflix, then you can press OK. Okay, now guys, here you can see our Netflix is in our login page. Okay, then you can see there is the list of the icons. Here it shows, so you can press this button. Okay, then you can go down and you can move into the get help section. Okay, so guys, you can press OK on the get help section, and here you can see lot of the options, and there is any option which is sign out. Okay, so guys, I'm try to focusing on the sign out so you can clearly see. So guys, here is the option, so sign out, and the sign out of your Netflix on this device. So guys, this sign out is available only for this device, not for the entire means if your account is login more than the other account, so you can not sign it from all the account from here. Okay, but you can manage your household and you can reload your Netflix from here. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.